most people leave bad bosses, I think that's actually a misinterpreted finding, because most people I know aren't actually bad bosses, but what they've allowed inside of their team is they've allowed work to work against them. And I think most importantly, when I look at employees and why they ultimately leave an organization or just become apathetic and do the bare minimum, is they feel like the organization's promises don't match their practices. So if I were an executive, one of the things that I would ask myself is, where are the places where work is working against our people? Where is the places where our promises don't match our practices? And you're going to find out that there are some that are really easy to identify and address. And over time, you can systematically work through all the ways that work is working against you, and it's eroding people's trust and confidence and sense of purpose that they feel. So that would be where I'd start, is get really sober about where does our purpose not match our practices.